Hey guys, Yescoin has introduced a daily learn-to-earn program. So if you've been mining Yescoin, you will want to participate in this to earn more coins. To participate in the learn-to-earn campaign, you must have connected your Ton wallet. If you haven't connected your Ton wallet, you can do that by tapping on Earn. And in the onboarding section, you'll see the option to connect your wallet. So tap on this and follow the prompts to connect your Ton wallet. Once you've connected your Ton wallet, you can join the daily crypto learning task. So tap on this card. So today's learning talks about Ton coin. Once you've read it, tap on get it. And now you can claim your rewards by tapping on the claim card here. There's one option to claim rewards without connecting your Ton wallet. And there's another option to claim more rewards if you're connecting your Ton wallet. Remember, you need to have Ton in the connected wallet to pay for gas fees. So if you want to claim more Yescoin, select this option to claim, and it will lead you to your wallet. So you can choose any of your Ton wallets. In this case, I'll be using Tonkeeper, so I tap on my Tonkeeper. So accept the connection request by tapping on connect wallet. So here you can see that I'll be spending about $0.03 for this claim. So here the initial call contract cost about 0.05, but as we all know, whenever you're making transactions on Ton, you will always get some cash back. So I'm getting a cash back of $0.02, so I'm only spending $0.03, as you can see here, which is the total network fee. So slide to accept the request. So now you can see that I've claimed 34,000 Yescoin. So once you're happy, tap on done. So always check in daily to claim your rewards. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Yescoin updates, crypto airdrops, tips, tutorials, alphas, and any opportunities. Check out the link in the description for some of the other hot Telegram airdrops. Sign up and start claiming your airdrops right away. So keep claiming your Yescoin daily. Join the Learn campaign to earn more Yescoin. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.